This is your 1-minute coder news from the Voice of Custom Coating. The custom coater industry was surprised to hear that AkzoNobel and Prismatic Powders have partnered on gaining West Coast distribution. The unlikely pairing combines forces to distribute Interpon's ready-to-ship line, RTS, of over 500 colors. This may help the East Coast supplier crack open new avenues to smaller orders and new clients with low risk. Taking advantage of the West Coast suppliers' low ship rates could give them greater competitiveness, especially for RAL industrial color palettes. In other news, it has been rumored that Prismatic has shelved its recently released Superchrome 2 due to difficulty in retaining materials for production. On its website, it now lists a new color, polished aluminum HSS 2345, a polyester epoxy hybrid powder in its place. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.